Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to delete Gemini AI account. In order to delete your Gemini AI account, you could follow the simple steps. So what here you need to do is, first thing first, to delete your Gemini AI account. You can disable the Gemini AI on your Google account by turning off Gemini Apps Activity and then deleting your activity history. If you're trying to remove Gemini from your Android device, you can uninstall the app or revoke its permissions as well. So to actually do it on your Google account, you just want to go to the Gemini Apps Activity page, navigate to myactivity.gemini.com. So go to myactivity.google.com, click that out. Here you have to do a simple step, that is just click on the turn off button and confirm. You may be able to see an option to turn off and delete the activity as well. After disabling the activity, you can also choose to delete your existing Gemini activity history from this page. Otherwise, if you have app installed to your device, then you could simply go to settings on your device, locate apps from the list, and locate Gemini from the list once again, and then click on uninstall or maybe force stop. That is also going to help you delete Gemini AI account. So with that being said, we've come to an end. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.